Meaning of except for.
Except for.
Except for.
Except for.
Except for. Except for is a conjunction that is often used to indicate an exception or exclusion. It means excluding or not including. For example, if you say, "I like all fruits except for bananas," it means that you like all fruits other than bananas. In other words, except for is a way of specifying the items that are not included in a particular group or category. It is commonly used to provide exceptions to a general statement or rule. Overall, except for is a useful tool for clarifying and qualifying statements, particularly when you want to make it clear that there are some exclusions or exceptions to what you are saying.